everyone, how are you all? So in our set A we have completed up to 50 questions from the electric current. We'll be starting from there from the 51st question, right? So let's start from there. See the 51st question. The resistance of the conductor depends on the resistance of the conductor. In the set A itself, I told resistance depends on three factors. One is our nature of the material, second one is temperature, third one is the geometry of the material. So they have the resistance. What are the things they have given? Options: length, they have given area of cross section, they have given temperature, they have given a fourth option, they have given all the above. So all the above is the answer. Which of the following is correct regarding the electricity? So power and power relation they are asking. So if you observe that P is equals to VI, that is the basic formula. So according to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. So what we can write, P is equals to I square R. P is equals to I square R, or we can say that in place of I we can write V by R also. So ultimately we can write what? P is equals to V into V by R, V square by R, V square by R. So P is equals to V square by R. If you see the option, first option is our answer. Now current is measured in what? Current is the unit of current is ampere. Resistance, what is the unit for resistance? Ohms. Potential difference, also called as voltage, it is the volt is the unit of potential difference, and resistivity, ohm meter. What is the relation between resistivity and resistance? R is equals to rho L by A. This rho is called as resistivity. It is also called as specific resistance. Specific resistance depends on two factors. One is the nature of the material and the temperature. Okay. Let's see the next question. Let me drag upwards. Okay, let's see the 54th question. What is that? If you observe here, at this junction and at this junction, it is divided into two parts, right? So what we can write here like this and here like this. At middle nothing is there, so they have not given any R value, so I will take it as negligible, like this and like this. So from here again one resistance, and it is the junction A and this is our junction B. So here they have given R, 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 R. So these two are parallel, these two are parallel. Why? Because at the junction it is divided into two parts. So R into R by R plus R. So what you'll get, R square by 2R, R square by 2R, it's nothing but R and square gets cancelled. So on the right side, left side R by 2, right side also R by 2. Both are in series after that, so R by 2 plus R by 2, nothing but what? 2R by 2R. So here resultant R and our R at the junction A is what? In parallel. So R into R by R plus R. So what you'll get? R square by 2R. So R by 2 you have got, R by 2. So our answer is R by 2, option number B. Your friend arranged a circuit, the measured potential between the A and B with the help of voltmeter. So he has arranged the circuit. If you observe here in this circuit, there is no bulb, no electrical components, only a source is connected. Now they are asking what is the potential difference measured by the voltage. What you will get? You will get only the E value. So potential difference is equals to E. That is our answer. Now 56th question. Observe the circuit. Okay, the resistance of the ring shaped conductor is 0, means here outside circumference is 0, they have said, no resistance, so it acts as a conductor. Then the equivalent resistance between A and B they have asked. Okay, A and B. So I will draw it a little bit here. So here this is our A and this is our B. So if you observe here, from A junction it is dividing into three parts. So I will draw like this one, and this one, three parts. Now at the junction it is joining, so like this something I will draw like this. After that one resistor R is connected. Now there is more I think there is more error here. So this value, I will write this value is 3R, this value is 3R, and this value is 3R, and this is our R. Okay, so this R should come here. So all these three are what? Parallel. Parallel means 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Yes. So let me write it here. 1 by 3R plus 1 by 3R plus 1 by 3R. Nothing but 3R by 3 by 3R. 1 by 3r plus 1 by 3r plus 1 by 3r is how much? 3 by 3r. 3 by 3r. So what you got? So 1 by r equivalent value, you have got 1 by r. 3 3 gets cancelled, right? So r equivalent value, we have got r. So up to here, half of the value is r, and from this one r is connected. So in series, so r plus r is what? 2r is our answer. 2r, option number D. Understood? So this one, you just rewind this video a little bit 5 minutes backwards and just again watch it, you can understand it. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is correct regarding the instrument connected in the electrical circuit? So they have given both for about this ammeter and the voltmeter. So we already know that ammeter should be connected in what? Ammeter should be connected in series and the voltmeter should be always connected in parallel. Right, understood? Okay. So what is that answer? Ammeter. Yes, first option itself is correct. Voltmeter should be connected in parallel and the ammeter should be connected in series. So option number A is our answer. Okay. Let's see the next question. Loading. Okay, let me zoom it. 58th question. Which two circuit components are connected in parallel? They have asked in the following diagram. So parallel means you already know that series. You always remember in series. Let me make it bigger. Okay. In series, always remember that there should be only one path for the current to flow, and in the parallel there should be, from the junction there should be different paths, then it will be called as parallel. They are asking parallel. Now if you observe here, current started from, now when you come to this junction, what happened? This junction, current is divided into two paths. Right? So here current is dividing, so whatever these two components are connected, that should be a parallel connection. What is present here, if you observe here, voltmeter is there and the resistor is there. So what we can say that, understood? So this is our single path. On when you come to this junction, it is divided into two paths. So these two components comes under parallel connection. So voltmeter and the resistor comes under our answer. The following circuit shows the experimental setup and study dependent on the current and potential difference. By which two circuit components are connected in series? They have asked. Series means what? There should be single path. So these two components will not come. These two are parallel. So what we can say, battery and voltmeter they have given. Let's see, battery is here, voltmeter is here, so that is wrong. So here this path is getting divided. Ammeter and the voltmeter, voltmeter is parallel, that is also wrong. Ammeter and the rheostat, yes, it is correct. A single path is there. So ammeter and rheostat is our answer. Option number C is our answer. Oh, let's see the question. 60th question, very interesting one. The correct setup for determine the equivalent resistance if two resistors R1 R2 are connected in parallel. Parallel means what? There should be two paths. Observe here. Okay, two paths is there. Here only one path is there, so the diagram is wrong. Here also it is there. Now let's see which is correct. If you observe the first one, the circuit. If you observe here that this is wrong. Voltmeter is already here, so it should be ammeter. So we can say that first one also wrong. Now we have to check for the third and the fourth. Let's see the third one. What are present? Okay, ammeter, voltmeter, circuit. And in the fourth one, okay, see, third and fourth is similar. Same diagram they have given. I think for me it is looking similar only. So what we can see that 3 and 4 is our right answer. So 3 and 4, maybe some mistake is present in something here, don't know. So but here third and fourth one is our right answer. The graph between the current and the potential difference in the experimental setups of Ohm's law drawn by 4 students are shown in the figure. Okay, Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, what we know that voltage is directly proportional to current. So if you observe here, if you consider this as current x-axis and voltage as the y-axis, as the current value increases, voltage value also increases. So the graph should be like this. It's a straight line path starting from the origin. So it is our answer. Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, what is the graph? Option C is our answer. Understood? Let me drag upwards. The VI characteristics of 4 circuits are given below. Which of the following is an ohmic conductor? Ohmic, just now has said this one, option number B. Okay, 60-second question is over. Let's see the next question, next page. Loading. Let me zoom it. Okay. See, as I already told that there is in the description we can I can have your WhatsApp group number, group link, not number. So if you are very much interested to get a seat, you can join there. Once the notification is released, then we will start our Zoom class on the concept. Here I am only saying the bits. Exactly, I am saying the bits. So understood. That is the reason I am waiting for it. Let's continue. I don't want to waste your time. What is the power dissipated by each lamp of resistance 6 ohms? So what is the voltage they have given? Oh my god. What is the voltage they have given? 12, V value 12 they have given. If you observe here, these two are connected in series in single path, both are given. So resistance in equivalent resistance series R1 plus R2, 6 plus 6, how much? It is our 12, 6 plus is our 12. So V value is our 12 volt and resistance is our 12 ohms, and according to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. We require what? Sorry, not V value, we require power. P is equals to VI, right? VI. What is that? VI. What is that? 12 into 12. 12 12s are so here some. So here they are asking this VI. So V value is there, R value is there here. Let us find out the I value. Let us find out the I value. From this V and I we can find the I value. I is equals to V by R. So 12 by 12 it is 1. I value we have got 1. Okay. Now power P is equals to what is the V value given? 12. And what is I value we have got 1. 12 into 1 is what? 12. So 12 watts. The effective resistance of combination, if you observe here at this junction, this junction and this junction, current is divided into two paths. So this is our parallel connection, but in this path these two are in series and these two are in series. So 8 plus 2 is how much? 10, and 6 plus 14 is how much? 20. So what we can write here, something like this. Okay, so this is our 10 and this is our 20. Now these two are parallel. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. 10 into 20 by 10 plus 20 is our 30. 0 0 gets cancelled. Okay, 3 will not get divided. So 20 by 3. 20 by 3. Option number C. The graph between the potential difference and current for an iron spoke. Iron spoke is an ohmic conductor. What is that? Just now we have seen that it is a straight line starting from the origin. What is our answer? Straight line passing to the origin. Option number C is our answer. In case of non-ohmic conductor, see, always remember, for ohmic conductor you will get a straight line graph, and for a non-ohmic conductor you will get a curved graph. What are the non-ohmic conductor? All the gases, materials, semiconductors, LEDs, all this comes under non-ohmic conductor. If you observe, option number A is our answer. It is a curved graph. Let me drag upwards. According to Kirchhoff junction law, I3 value, sum of the current entering into the junction should be equal to sum of the current leaving the junction. If you observe, what are the entering currents? I1 value is entering, I4 value is entering, and where is it? I cannot see it. Okay, I1 and I4 is entering. So what is that? Sum of the currents? 2 plus 10 is our 12. 12 is the amount of current entering. Now listen, 12 is our entering current. Now leaving current are what? Leaving currents are our 6 and 1 6 1 6 1, then what? I3. So 12 is equal to 6 plus 1 is 7 plus I3 we want 12 minus 7, how much? 12 minus 7, 5 is our answer. Now let me drag upwards. 68th bit. Let A, B, C, D are 4 students plot graph for a conductor verification of Ohm's law. This is very easy one, right? Start from origin. Option number B is our answer. Nothing to prove there. It's a direct question. The proper representation of series combination they are asking. So series combination, how it should be connected, they are asking. Let's see these D1. D is completely wrong. What is that? Is completely wrong. And if you observe here, second and third diagram, you have to observe it. Symbols. It is reversed. And here there is no line between the connections. So option number A is our answer. Option number A. Very easy one. Okay, let's see the next one. At absolute zero temperature, silver behaves like zero. Absolute zero temperature means we already know that resistance depends on temperature. As the temperature increases, resistor value also increases. So absolute zero temperature means the temperature not there. Temperature zero means there is no resistance. So at that time, that will act as a superconductor. So silver will act as what? Superconductor. No, conductivity. Conductivity means what? Reverse of resistivity is called as conductivity. At zero temperature, no resistance means it like a superconductor. So conductivity will be very large. So we can say it as infinite. Option number D is our answer. So that page is over. 71 questions over. Let's see the next one. Let me zoom it. Loop's law of Kirchhoff is also called as Loop's law. Loop's law is based on conservation of energy, because there we'll be discussing about our potential difference. The algebraic sum of increase or decrease of potential difference across various components in a circuit is equals to 0. That is the definition. There we'll be discussing the potential energy. So not potential energy, about the potential difference. Potential difference. So it is our based on conservation of energy. Option number B. Kirchhoff junction law depends on Kirchhoff junction law. If you observe that sum of the current entering a junction is equal to sum of the current leaving the junction. So current means what? Here we will be discussing about the charge. So it is based on conservation of charge. Option number A. A uniform wire of resistance 50 ohms is divided into 5 parts. If we divide into 5 parts, what is that? So 5 parts will get 5 to 5 ones are. So 10. Each part resistance is 10. Okay. Now it is connected in parallel. 5 parts means 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So total it is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means what? 1 by 2. Nothing but 2 ohms. Number 2. The current in the wire depends on. Current in the wire depends on what? See here it is nothing but they are saying about, indirectly they are asking about this Ohm's law. V is equals to IR. So current in the wire depends on potential difference and the resistance. A, B. So total both A and B, both of them. 3 resistors are connected in series. Very easy question. 4 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. Option number B. Let me drag upwards. Okay, let me drag it downwards. Now the resistance ABR, RA and RB, and RA resistance is less than RB. Okay, the electrical resistivities are SA and SB. Then the correct relation is, so if you observe the relation of resistance and resistivity, R is equals to rho L by A. So resistance depends on resistivity, length and area. Now what they said, options SA is greater than SB they have given, SA is equals to SB they have given, and SA is less than SB. How can you say directly? Because resistance also depends on length and also the area. So without knowing the length and area, we cannot decide whether it is more or less. What we can say that we cannot derive any relation between S and B by given data. Option number D is our answer. Bulb is designed with a potential P0 and V0. When the bulb is connected in voltage V, then the bulb electric power is, so P2 value. So P1 value they have given as P0, and P2 value they are asking to find out, and V1 value they have given as V0, and V2 value they have given as V. What is the relation with power and voltage? P is equals to Vi. So it is directly proportional. So what we can simply write as P1 by P2 is equals to V1 by V2. Okay. Now P1 value how much? P0. P0 by P is equals to V1 value they have given as V0. V2 value as V. So we require P value. So bring this value to here and remaining value to other side. So what you will get? V by V0 into P. Therefore P is equals to V by V0 into P. Okay. V by V0 into P. P0, sorry, P0. Option number B. Now 79th question, the EMF of the cell. EMF means what? Potential difference of the cell. What is the first point they have given? Potential difference across its terminal. Second point they have given potential difference across the terminal when no current is passing through it. Okay, that is correct, because EMF means what? Potential difference across the terminal when no current is passing through it. Okay, the heat produced when the cell is connected to 1 ohm resistance. Okay, the total work done per coulomb. That is the correct definition. So we can say that option number 4, and which option? Option number 2. What is that? Option 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Option number C is our answer. Now 80th question. It went somewhere. Next page. Okay. 80th question. In a circuit, the battery is related to. Battery is related to what? The battery pushes electrons towards the low potential. No, electrons move from low potential to high potential. So towards the high potential. So battery increases the speed of electron on breath. Speed of electron will be constant. That is called a drift speed. Battery pushes electron towards the high potential. So what we can say that option number C is our answer. Okay. Let's see the next question. Next page. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. Oh my God! Still so many questions are there. Time is very less. Now let's see that which is not suitable for the domestic electric circuit. Domestic means for to our houses, which is not correct. They are asking. Switch is connected in parallel. That is correct, and it consumes energy. Even though switch is closed or open, all the switches are connected in parallel. Okay, that is also correct. Which switch is connected in series? That is wrong. They are asking which is not suitable. Switch is not connected. It is if it is connected in series. So if you switch on one switch, all the electrical component in your houses become on. Okay. Number C is our answer. A voltmeter ammeter is connected in series in an ideal cell of EMF E. The voltmeter reading is V, then the ammeter reading is I. Then what is that? They are asking resistance. Resistance is equal to V by I. They have given. That's correct only, right? According to V, Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. So IR is equal to what? V by I. That is correct. Potential difference across the resistor is E minus V. That is correct only. So here when you are using the ammeter, so not voltmeter. Voltmeter itself is consume some sort of energy. So total energy potential is EMF, it will consume some sort of potential energy, potential difference. So V minus E minus V is our answer. That is also correct. V is less than E. V is less than E. Yes, V is less than E only. Voltmeter resistance plus ammeter resistance is equal to E by I. That is also correct. So all the four options are correct. So which option? Option number, let me see it. So option number D is our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 10 watt LED bulb is used for 10 hours. So 10 into 10. 100. Again the electric energy for 10 days into 100 into 10, so 1000 watts. 1000 watts is nothing but 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt hour for, okay, 1 kilowatt hour is nothing but what? 1 kilowatt hour is nothing but our 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules, or 36 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. What is that? 1 is correct. 36 into 10 to the power of 5, 1 is 1 and 2 is correct. Option number B. A wire is broken into 4 equal parts and each part resistance. See, wire is broken into 4 parts means that 1 by 4th part is the resistance. 1 by 4th. What is the option number C? Now 85th question. A piece of resistance wire has resistors 4 and its diameter is doubled. Now its resistance is. So yesterday in the set A we have learned what is the relation R is equal to L by D by 2 square. Nothing but R is equals to 4L by D square. This is a relation we have got yesterday. Now what they said that resistance if 4 what is and diameter is doubled, what is this new resistance? Okay, new resistance they are asking. Okay, let's find out. And they are asking the relation between resistance and the diameter. So R1 by R2 is equals to D2 by D1 whole square. So R1 value they have given 4, R2 value we have to find it 4 by R. R2 means R, you take it as, and what is that? D2 by D1. So D2 value is how much? Diameter is doubled, 2D by D whole square. So DD gets cancelled. Here what you got? R by 4 is equals to 4. 4 gets cancelled, 1 it become 1, so R is equals to 1 ohms. Option number 1. Instrument is to check the EMF or voltage. Potential difference is measured by using voltmeter. Option number A is our answer. Let's me drag up outside is our answer. Okay, in electrical wire copper is used for electrical conduction mainly because. Why we use this copper? Why? Because it has low resistance or resistivity. That is the reason we use copper in the wires. So option number C is our answer. Okay, over. Next page. Loading. Let me zoom it. When we pay our electricity bill, we pay it for what? We pay it for energy consumed. Option number B. Find the incorrect statement. Resistance depends on the material. That is correct only. Resistance of the conductor is independent of area. That is wrong. The area resistance is inversely proportional to L. It is dependent only. Resistance conductance depends on the length. That is correct. Resistance of the conductor is independent of the temperature. That is also wrong. So option what is that? 2 and 4 is wrong. 2 and 4, which option? Option number C. The earth wire is connected to outer casing of the appliance wire. So for any appliance, we'll connect one earth wire. Why they are asking? Why? Because in that appliance, if any leakage occurs, leakage of charge, current, so it is connected to the earth, so that we cannot get any shock. So option number D. Identify the best conductor of the electricity. So usually silver is a best conductor of electricity, but we will not use silver. Why? Because its cost is more. That is the reason. Instead of silver, we will be using copper or aluminium. Okay, otherwise we can use silver. If charge Q, electric force, they are asking the force formula. F is equals to, what is that? So work done. Sorry, EM voltage. FV is equals to what? FE L by Q. That is the formula. Now here they said that L is represented with D, and okay, what will be our answer? FE D by Q. FE D by Q. Which option? FE D by Q. Option number C. Now two resistors of value X and X by 2 are connected in parallel. Connected means R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What you will get? 3x by 2 down 3x by 2, and here x square by 2, so x by 3. X by 3. Option number A. Now next question. The bulb is marked 40 watts and 120 volt. It means that in 1 second, they are asking it converts in joules. They are saying, see, watts means nothing but power, nothing but you can say energy. So in 1 second, so why? Because energy is power means what? Rate of doing work, W by T. So in 1 second they are saying, what is that they have given? 40 watts, so 40 joules of energy. Bulb is marked 70 watt, 210 volt, then the resistance is, so P is equals to VI. Okay, not here I is not given, so resistance they are asking P is equals to V square by R. So they are asking the resistance, you bring this P to left side and R to the right side, so what you will get? R is equals to V square by R. What is the V value? 210 into 210, V square by P. 70, 0 gets cancelled, sorry, 7 3s are, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 630 is our answer, 630 ohms. Next page, our last page I think. Yes, 1 or 2 questions will be discussing here in the set B, set 2. A 100 ohms resistance is cut into 5 parts. 100 ohms is divided into 5 parts. So what you will get? 20 ohms. Each part resistance is 20 ohms. And are connected in parallel. 5 parts are connected in parallel. So 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20. So 5 by 20. 5 by 20, nothing but 5 4s are. So 1 by 4, nothing but we can say R equivalent value will be 4. 1 by R equivalent value is 1 by 4 means R equivalent value is how much? 4. Okay. Answer is what? Option number C. If the length and diameter of the conductor have both are half, then the resistance of conductor becomes, so R is equals to, few minutes back only I said, what is that? 4L by D square. This is the relation we have got. So this is our R value. Now what they said that R value, resistance and the, so length and the diameter is half. So 4L by 2 into D by 2 whole square. Okay, what you'll get here? What you'll get? Okay, half. No, okay. So D square by 4. D square by 4. So here and this one, and you will get here D square and you will get 4. 2 2s are 4. Now and the denominator, what is left? What is there? D square by 2 is left, so that 2 comes upwards, so 4 2s are 8. So what you will get? R is equals to 8L by D square you will get. So but it is what, how you can write? 2 into 4L by D square. So 2 times only, so double. Where is that answer? Double. Option number B. The resistors of value 18 ohms, 3 ohms, 6 ohms are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance. So what you will do, you just first you do these two lower values, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Okay, you get some value, or you just do 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. How much? 6 3s are 18. 18 by 9, 9 2s are 18. So just again you do it, 18 into 2 by 18 plus 2, 20. 2 tens are, 2 tens are, so 18 by 10 is nothing but 1.8. 1.8, option number D. Heater coil, heater, whatever the iron, you'll be doing that, ironing of shirt, whatever that heater, toasters are made of, what type of coil we use? Either we can use nichrome or manganese. Option number D is our answer. Every day 60 watt bulb is used for 8 hours, so 60 into 8, it is a 48, 480 over. Okay, amount of energy consumed in 30 days, so into 30 you do it. 6 3 8 3 is a 24, 2 4 3 is a 12, 12 plus 2 1400. So they are asking kilowatt by 1000 units, so you will get 14.2, 14.4, option number C. A radio set of 60 watt runs for 50 hours, so power consumed, electrical energy consumed, 60 watt for how much? 50 hours. So electrical energy consumed, how much you will get? So 60 into 50, 6 5 is a 30, 30 into 2, 3000 is 3 kilowatt hour. So number A. Now I think it is our last question. Observe circuit, the power consumed by the resistors R2 is P. R2 is P, and power consumed by the resistor when the resistor R1 is removed from the circuit is, and take R1 and R2 as equal. So what is the relation between power and the resistance? Power and the resistance, P is equals to V squared by R. Okay, means it is inversely proportional. So what we can write? P1 by P2 is equals to R2 by R1. Okay, but they said that R1 R2 is equals to 1 or equal, so if it gets cancelled you'll get 1. Okay, so what will be our answer? Tell me. I already told the answer directly. What? It gets cancelled in 1 only, so this P comes to the right side, become what? P1 is equals to P2, nothing but P, option number C. So with this we have completed our set 2 bits, 100 bits, we have 1 or 2 bits we have completed. So those who have missed my first video of this chapter, I have already uploaded. Along with that, methodology I have already completed 4 sets. Check that also. So thank you, have a good day. This is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.